Working with family means a lot. I've worked with 4 generations of family members at ICO. Even though the company is huge now, we still feel we have a personal relationship and we've benefited from that. My name is David Leet. I started Leet Sales Reps in 1993. We offer some of the best service in the industry. I've been working with ICO for 51 years.
My name is Mitchell Leet. I'm the president of Leet Sales Reps. Leet Sales Reps covers what we call rural New England. We have extreme snowfalls in the ski territories and in the northern Vermont, Maine territories. Then they have to completely change extremes and go to hot summers where we see temperatures upwards of 100 degrees. You have to sell a product that's going to withstand that type of abuse. Dynasty's been a really big blessing for us.
All along the seacoast of New England, those roofs get strong wind gusts all year long. Dynasty with the Armor Zone and the reinforced woven band are going to be the best shingle to install.
Working with ICO over all these years, we see that as a big plus, one family business supporting another.
Working in a multi-generational business, you grow a lot. There's a lot of family values that you pick up.
The values that have driven our family business have been to work hard and you play hard. And you trust each other, and you're honest. We all treat our customers with respect, and we all work hard to get them the answers that they need so that they can have a successful business themselves.
All of our family are hard workers. They like developing the business. It's still very exciting to all of us. Between the manufacturer, ICO, and our family, our service is the very best.